Here are 10 areas that are very likely to look noticeably different by the end of 2026 compared with today. These are directional forecasts, not guarantees, but they are based on trends already in motion. AI in everyday work. By 2026, AI co-pilots and assistants will be deeply embedded into office software, customer service systems, and coding tools, automating large chunks of routine work such as drafting emails, summarizing meetings, and creating first draft code. Many companies are already shifting from AI pilots to full production deployments aimed at measurable productivity gains. So the visible impact on how white-collar work is done should accelerate sharply in 2026. Healthcare and personalized treatment. Expect much wider use of AI tools for diagnostics, radiology, pathology, triage chatbots, and more precision treatments tailored to a person's genes, biomarkers, and lifestyle data from wearables. Surgeons and clinicians are also moving toward augmented reality guidance and decision support systems in operating rooms and clinics, which should make care feel more tech-augmented and data-driven by 2026. Housing, construction, and real estate construction is beginning to adopt automation, construction robots, site drones, and 3D printing methods, which can cut labor and build time, potentially reshaping costs and the speed at which homes and infrastructure go up. Combined with higher interest rate aftershocks and demographic shifts, many analysts expect noticeably different housing dynamics by 2026. More prefab and modular building, more retrofits for energy efficiency, and sharper divides between high-demand urban cores and struggling regions. Transportation and vehicles. Cars are rapidly gaining more advanced driver assistance and partial self-driving features, plus deeper integration with apps, sensors, and over-the-air software updates. So driving and car ownership should feel more like managing a rolling computer by 2026. Autonomous delivery robots, commercial drones for logistics, and experiments like land bus or elevated buses and new hydrogen or electric freight routes are also scaling up, which will start to change how goods move, even if full autonomy is not universal yet. Energy, climate, and the power grid. Renewables, solar, wind, battery storage are still growing quickly and becoming a much larger share of new power capacity, driving more rooftop solar, home batteries, and grid-scale storage projects visible in communities. At the same time, governments and regions, especially in Europe, are tightening carbon border rules and anti-greenwashing regulations, so companies and consumers should see more explicit carbon pricing, climate disclosures, and clean energy branding with stricter definitions by 2026. Online privacy, trust, and advertising. By 2026, digital life is expected to be more shaped by walled gardens and closed ecosystems, as users spend less time on the open web and more time in a few dominant platforms and apps. This will force big shifts in how advertising, tracking, and personalization work, with tighter privacy rules, more emphasis on first-party data, and stronger focus on trust and transparency as a differentiator for brands. Politics, security, and cyber risks. Geopolitical tension and rapid tech adoption are pushing governments and companies to invest heavily in cybersecurity, AI-assisted threat detection, and new regulations around deepfakes, critical infrastructure, and data protection. Everyday people are likely to notice more identity verification steps, more warnings about scams and AI-generated content, and more visible political and regulatory fights over how AI and big platforms are controlled. Social programs, aging, and healthcare costs. In aging economies, 2026 is likely to bring more visible strain on retirement and healthcare systems, including higher premiums, shifting benefits, and renewed debates over long-term sustainability. For retirees and near retirees, this will show up as noticeable changes in cost of living adjustments, medical coverage rules, and out-of-pocket health expenses, especially in large public programs. Work, careers, and demographics. Demographic headwinds. Aging populations in rich countries, slower labor force growth, combined with AI automation, are reshaping which jobs are in demand and how careers progress. By 2026, there will likely be more pressure on mid-skill administrative roles, stronger demand for technical, caregiving, and skilled trade jobs, and more people working in hybrid, freelance, or project-based arrangements rather than traditional long-term full-time roles. Consumer tech, media, and interfaces. Homes and devices are moving toward ambient AI, with more sensors, smart appliances, and systems that act proactively, adjusting lighting, climate, security, and media without explicit commands. Screens and interfaces are also evolving toward mixed reality headsets, higher-end foldable or rollable displays, and more immersive media experiences, so how people watch content, play games, and interact with software should feel noticeably upgraded by 2026.